Hello po. Magandang hapon po sa ating lahat. Welcome back to my channel, Igor OFW and Spanish. So, in today's video, we will cook a Spanish recipe which is a paella. Gamitin ko ay pork meat and breast chicken meat. And then, ayun. So, samahan niyo ako to cook this recipe. Let's do it. Come on. So, ayan, ang ating ingredients ay pork lean meat, chicken breast, pepper sweet powder, black pepper powder, salt, food coloring, onion, garlic chop, the green and red pepper for the decorations, the broad cubes, rice, chickpeas or green peas, and the tomato sauce. So let's start cooking. So first we put the oil, olive oil. You can use any oil that you want, but I will use olive oil. A little bit, and now we will add the chicken, and I want to cook also the paper for the decoration. That's it. Okay. We will cook the pepper and then we will set aside. So the pepper is already done. We will get and set aside. So that's it. That's it. Now we will put our garlic and onion. That's it. Okay, then we will add our vegetable, the green peas, the peppermint. That's it. We will put our food coloring, salt, the powder, black pepper, pepper. I will put 2 tablespoon. Ayan. Little more. That's it. So you see looks yummy, right? The smell is good. And now we will put our tomato sauce. Guys, and now we will put our decoration. Paper. Okay. Ayan na po. You let it cook more. Ayan na po siya. Wait, the water will be absorbed by the rice. Guys, and now we will cover it for the steam to help cook the rice. Ayan. Mas gusto ko kasi yung medyo may tutong, kaya hayaan natin muna siya dyan. Okay, so that's it, guys. That's it for today. Have a nice day. Bye-bye. God bless.